Hey, a little tiny tutorial on Mouseless UI. Who needs a mouse? Screw the mouse. Anyways, I got a canvas here and two buttons. And if I hit play, there's no logic anywhere. These are just buttons. I can click on them, nothing happens. And if I use my horizontals right now, nothing's happening. If I click on him, don't click elsewhere. I can move and I can hit enter back and forth, right? And I can do things. And that's because you get these arrows, right? So these arrows and buttons and interactables will obey navigation, right? So right now navigation's automatic. And you can change that and do whatever. But see how I move it up? So now it follows. If I do a vertical move, it goes up. You know, now it should do both, just the horizontal, right? So you can play with your different things like that. Anywho, that's not what this is about. So let's create empty, give it an FSM, and let's get button down. And by get button, I meant get key down. Let's do that. Let's use I because it's like an inventory then. Do stuff. Right, so we come over here, and then if I get this again over here, we're going to do other stuff. We're going to just go back. So if we're here, set, nope, God damn it, activate we are going to activate our canvas. And I'm going to copy that and bring them over here. Same thing, but now deactivate, right? Pretty simple logic. But that doesn't help us with not running a mouse. That's what the hell this thing's about. So what I'm going to do is UI. Let's go down to the UI and not the execute. I believe it's that one. Or that one. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's that one. And apparently it wants a variable. All right, well, so be it. You can have this variable. There, how about that? So now this button will be selected, right? So if I start with this thing off, right, so my mouse is over here, I'm not going to touch it, right? So I hit I, it opens and closes. Now when I hit I, I'm selected onto the button, and I can hit enter. I can move over and I can hit enter. Right? But that's it. It's a way to connect UI without the mouse, right? If I click here, so I'm here. But if I click over here, I'm not anywhere, right? I can hit left and right now. I can hit enter. Ain't no shit happening. But if I close it and reopen it, I'm telling the system logic-wise, I am on that button. Do that stuff. If I hit enter. Go over, now move that button. So that's how you do it, okay? When you open up your UI, if you don't want the mouse, you have to tell it what is selected, right? And then once it's selected, I mean, you can just use the navigation, that's fine, but then maybe you have different tabs. So, okay, you close that tab, you reopen this tab, set the starting point, right? Set it selected. So that's how you do that. Mouseless UI.